It started no more silver, and stackers regret dumping. If you've been around silver for a while, you know the signs. And right now, the signs are loud, they're clear. It has started, and regret is creeping in for the folks who dumped early. Check this out. Look at dealer websites and you'll see it. You'll see out of stock. You'll see delayed shipping. You'll see call for availability. And meanwhile, premiums are climbing slowly but painfully climbing, even while the paper spot price hasn't moved much. This is exactly how every real squeeze begins. First, inventory tightens, then the panic starts. That gap between paper price and physical reality, it's back and it's widening. We've got refiners reporting weeks-long delays, especially on sovereign coins like silver eagles, maples, junk silver's driving up. When silver starts disappearing from the retail level, it's not just about price, it's about access, it's about scarcity, it's about velocity, it's about timing. Check out the difference between bid and ask prices here. A lot of new stackers saw the price dip under $38 and they panicked. They hit the sell button. They said, I'll get back in later. Well, later is here and the market is not making it easy. Now, premiums creeping up and availability tightening. They're on the sidelines. They're watching everything move without them. Dealer buyback prices are holding strong, and that means physical is in demand. Even if Wall Street is still asleep to it, it's in demand. Here's a painful truth. Silver punishes impatience every time. We saw it in 2008. We saw it in 2020, and now we're seeing it again. The disciplined stackers, those who held through the noise, they're the ones getting positioned right now, while others are stuck chasing them. Look at this from Silver Institute. Behind the headlines, smart money is moving. Sovereign mints are ramping up production. Industrial buyers are placing long-term orders, and COMEX warehouse silver draining. We've been hearing a lot of this lately, and this is what's going on. We're in that stealth phase again. The phase where everything looks calm on the charts, but underneath, the squeeze is building. There's not buying for speculation. They're buying because they have to. Whether it's solar, whether it's EV batteries, whether it's national stockpiles, silver is needed and it's wanted. And this kind of demand doesn't show up overnight. But when it shows up in price, it's too late to scramble. The regret you're hearing right now from early sellers, that's just the beginning. I say stack smart, stay focused, don't get shaken by the noise. And if you're holding real silver, you got leverage. You got real leverage in your hand. And get your own silver. Check out this contest I put in the description there. They're giving away 20 silver eagles from Money Metals Exchange. Check out that contest. They give away 20 eagles every month.